Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy stocks on eToro. If you already know the stock you want to buy, go to the search bar and type in the name of the company. For example, let's search for NVIDIA. Once you find it, click on Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest. The minimum is $10. Choose your order type. Market order buys the stock instantly at the current price. Limit order buys the stock only when it reaches your chosen price. Click buy and just like that, the stock is purchased. And that's it. That's how to buy stocks on eToro. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.